Zimbabweans, comrades and friends, we are coming to you with feedback and bit of new information. Yesterday, we appeared to you with more like a poem or something, but that poem was laden with information. Following that poem, Comrade Geza came to support the poem. If you did not listen to that and if you did not see that, then there's nothing that you can see again. We once said we are going to speak in chords, and sometimes if you are not careful, you can remain behind or even be surprised. But there's nothing to be surprised about. We are simply saying something big is happening. You are better off at home rather than wherever you think you can do business in town. You are better off. We advise the nation that let's be away from the battlefield. If people are fighting, what do we need there? We don't know how to operate guns. And some people are said to be coming with guns. What do we want there? So even Comrade Geza himself supported that, if you listened carefully when he addressed the nation. Comrade Geza will continue addressing the nation, but he keeps us updated. We know what is happening. We love you. That's why we are saying to you, stay away from danger. We are not saying stay away from work or stay away from what. We are saying stay away from danger. This is what we are saying. For the sake of others who might not be able to code the codes or read the radar. Comrades and friends, this is not a joke. We are at a point which is a point of no return. Let's be careful and continue listening to each other. Chamisa is with us. We have nothing to fear. He's doing his best in the background to tell his supporters to support the cause. So we urge everybody to support the cause. You can support the cause in a small way. You don't support the cause by wielding a gun, no. By staying in your house, you have supported the cause. You see? So let's understand this. It's a simple message. Today, I don't want to give you too much because you might not understand what we are saying. But we simply say stay safe. As you heard from Comrade Geza, something dangerous is coming. Are you prepared to wait for the danger? If you are like that, then we know that you are a son or any relative of the Gananda. Then we will deal with you accordingly.